Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Silent Hill 2 is stuck on the loading screen, and I'll show you guys the very effective solution that definitely fix your problem. So the first solution is check minimum system requirement. Ensure your PC meets the minimum system requirement. If your system fails, CPU, GPU or the RAM or storage, the game may not load properly. Check the game official website or store page for the required specs. Now the solution to fix this problem is verify game files. So simply open up the Steam, then just click on the game, then click on the gear icon of your game, then just go to your game properties. Now just click on the install file, then click on the verify integrity of game files. It will take some time, you just need to wait for it. Then relaunch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, the next solution is update graphic drivers. Outdated or corrupted graphic drivers can cause loading issues in games, so go to the NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel website and download the latest drivers for your GPU. Restart your PC after updating to see if the issue resolves. Now, the next solution is run the game as an administrator, so simply open up the Steam, then go to your game properties. Now, click on the install file, then click on the browse option. Now, here just simply locate your game launcher or exe file of your game, so make a right click on it and you will see the properties on the last, so just click on the properties. Now here just go to the compatibility. Now here just uncheck this box of compatibility mode and also uncheck this box and just check the box of administrator, then click on apply. Now launch the game, then check. If problem is not fixed, then you can check the box or disable full screen optimization and compatibility mode. Then click on the apply and now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Now guys, if your problem is still not fixed, then next solution that you can try is disable background programs. So make a right click on your taskbar and you will see the task manager. So simply open it. Now here simply close all unnecessary background application. Then relaunch the game, then check. If your problem is still not fixed, then run the game in compatibility mode. This setting I already show you. Now the next solution is update Windows. Ensure your Windows operating system is fully updated. So sometimes outdated system files can prevent game from loading properly. So simply go to the setting, update and security, go to the check for update and install any available update. Now the next solution is reinstall the game. If none of the above solution work, uninstall the game completely, then reinstall it. Then I hope one of the solution fixes your problem, and try all of the solution and see which work for you. And if your problem is fixed, please consider liking this video, and bye bye and take care.